Now let's discuss about basic charts. So how to insert a basic charts. So before that, what all basic charts we have, like column chart, a bar chart, a pie chart, all those types of basic charts. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about a standard charts. Okay, so for that, let me just click outside the canvas. On the right hand side you can see the visualization. So now I'm going to talk about the standard chart. Like you can see the third chart. The second chart is stacked column chart. So this chart, I'm going to select this chart. Let me click over here. Let me just make it large. So now the purpose of this chart is to analyze the year on year sales. So this is our the first visualization. We are just using the basic chart. So for that purpose, I'm taking the date, right? That is year. So I'm just selecting the year from the D calendar. So I'll just put this year here. So we are not able to see anything on the chart because we only selected the one field. So our purpose is to check the year on year revenue, right? Revenue. So we already created the revenue under the measures or the D product. So any revenue you can select. I'm going with the revenue. I'm just putting on the Y axis. So here, so simple. See, if you go on this, so you can see the revenue for 2015, 2016 and 2017, right? So on the left hand side you can see the 0 million, 5 million and 10 million. Up to 10 million, by default it is taken because the highest value of your revenue would be around the 10 million, and these are the year, right? So now the next is, so we want to analyze the year on year revenue. So we already created the measure. If you're not created, you can check the DAX over here and you can create it by yourself. I just selected. You can pause and you can create the new measure and you can just type it, year on year percentage revenue growth, right? I'm just selecting this and just putting over here Y axis, right? So nothing happened. So we cannot see the year on year revenue growth over here. Why? Because it's collapsed. So you can see this year on year percentage revenue, it would be in a decimal form. That's why we are not able to see it on the chart. So yes, you're thinking the same. So we should go with the combo chart. So one very beautiful thing is here, once you clicked on this chart and you can select another chart by going the visualization. So it will automatically change the type of chart. So under the second line, you can see this line and stacked column chart. So I'm selecting this. I have already selected this chart, stack chart, and I'm going on the second line and this chart. See, once I selected, still I'm not able to see that second year on year percentage growth. So I'm just simply take these and I'm just putting on the line Y axis. See, you can see the change over here. So this line would be your percentage revenue growth for that particular year, right? So how you can change this? You can see these values in percentage, but in first attempt you will not able to see this. So for that purpose you have to go over here on the revenue. See, year on year. I hope that you have already created this. Under that you can see the percentage icon. If I remove this, see, you have to click it. So it automatically convert that value in percentage. I already converted it, that's why it didn't change. Okay, for your case it may be changed. So second thing is, I don't want this revenue and year on year like this. I want to just highlight this, bold this. Under this format visual, you can see a lot of options for x axis, y axis, continuous, right? So you just have to go under the general, under the properties, under the title. Your title is on, and text of title, see, revenue and percentage revenue growth by year. Okay, so you can change the color of your, if you want to keep it bold, you can just click on the bold. right? Then background you can change, see, okay. So you can change the format also, okay, right? So this is what I want. So you can change according to you can see under the visual. So we have done these changes. So you can changes, you can explore the more options over here by yourself. So under the visual you can see the a lot of things are here. So markers are off, but I want markers to see where they are lies, right? So see the tick mark you can see. So under the this tick mark you can see on the tick mark I need data labels. So if I clicked on the data labels I can see the values over there, right? These are the data labels. So this is the 9.3 million revenue, this is 6.4 million revenue, and this is 9.2 million revenues. So under the data labels you can explore the options over here. So you can see the horizontal, auto, and see the label density. So you can change the label density from here also, right? So this is all about the combo chart. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood this.